Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. I've just been made aware of this GoFundMe that has been set up for our Crochet Sister, Sharon, from Sharon's Crochet Corner. So I'm going to put the link below so everybody can go over and check out and share and make everybody else aware in our crochet community, and make a donation if you are capable. Let me scroll down. So, once again, everybody knows our Sharon. Everybody knows our Sharon. Okay, so if everybody could spread the word, donate if you are able to, that would be kind. Share this GoFundMe and help out our Crochet Sister Sharon. Everybody loves our Sharon. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a good day.